While the transmitter keeps heating up, I want to show you the menus. Look at this one, for instance. It shows the power the plant transmits every 60 minutes during the day. It is possible to program it every hour, and it can be decreased by 10, 20 or 50%, or even to adjust it to 1000 watts. This shows us a feature that only Elenos transmitters have. Efficiency remains constant, as I've said, despite the changes in the output power. Here we have an amperometer connected. Right now the transmitter is consuming 30 amps. Note when the power goes down, which it does as a protective measure. At this point, you can measure the transmitter's power consumption, and you will notice that it will decrease in the same proportion the power decreases. Therefore, it is always advisable to bear in mind the 30 amps of consumption. Let me show you other screens. For example, this one, which is very important. Several accounts can be programmed within the transmitter. Several phone numbers to which the plant is going to automatically send a text message if a failure occurs. It is possible to connect a small external modem to this transmitter with a chip and to program it to send the status or only information. It can also be programmed to send a simple command of on or off. It all depends on the various needs different people may have. Well, there are several parameters to habilitate. For example, I can change the name of the station, specify the name of the station where I want to send the text message. For instance, here we have a station called Elenos. I can write the name of my radio or that of the plant where I am working. So when there is a failure, it will send me a message telling me there was this type of alarm in this transmitter. Or I can send it a message asking how the transmitter is working. Sponsored by 305 Broadcast. Voiceover by Audio Studio.